Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on spaces on Blinkist. So let's get started. Firstly, open Blinkist app in your device, then tap on settings icon. Next scroll until you find push notification. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of spaces. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on spaces on Blinkist. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.